In 2015, a Stanford University student named Brock Turner sexually assaulted one of his fellow classmates on campus. Turner was indicted with 5 charges, 2 rape counts, 2 felony assault counts, and 1 attempted rape count. The Superior Court Judge of Santa Clara County, Aaron Persky, sentenced Turner to 6 months in prison with a 3-year probation period following his release. According to the National Sexual Violence Resource Center, 1 in 5 women and 1 in 16 men are sexually assaulted on college campuses each year. Policies regarding sexual assault on college campuses are not strong enough and need to be changed. New policies need to be widely broadcasted, and the true definition of sexual assault needs to be clear, understandable, and emphasized within the policy. As a start, people need to see just how weak the policies are. The National Association of Independent Colleges and Universities states that there are 2 policies in place regarding sexual assault on college campuses. One of these policies is the Clary Act. The Clary Act states that campuses are to disclose campus crime statistics and security policies with local forces. The other policy is the Title IX policy. This policy prohibits discrimination based on sex in federally funded programs or activities. Neither of these policies really acknowledges what to do in the case of a sexual assault case, or how a student can report it. The policies in the schools themselves are much worse. According to an article from Business Insider, accused students might get kicked off campus for a few semesters. Some are actually expelled, but many who are accused are allowed back on campus, graduate with their class, and eventually join the workforce. Business Insider also did an investigation on Yale University. In their investigation, they found that Yale had 60 students in the past 7 years who filed complaints of sexual misconduct. 15 of these cases were found that an assault or sex without consent occurred. Only 5 of these students were expelled. The remaining 10 were put on probation or given a write-up. For a change to be made, policies need to be modified or thrown away altogether, and new policies need to be implemented. According to the American Association of University Professors, early in the development process of these policies, the institution needs to determine rules, definitions, laws, reporting requirements, and penalties that pertain to assault in the criminal justice system. Some of these incidents happen to be reported to non-campus authorities. In this case, the Institute is advised to consult with and coordinate procedures with non-campus police, healthcare centers, and service providers to ensure that the incident does not go unreported to the college. Along with this, policies and procedures need to be clear and understandable. The definition of assault in policies must be descriptive and say why these offenses are criminal offenses. According to an article from the Journal of American College Health, lack of reporting is directly related to a lack of understanding of assault cases. This basically means that a lot of the assault cases go unreported because the students are not sure if what actually happened to them qualifies as an assault. This is due to a lack of understanding or clarity within the policy. Therefore, they feel that if they report it, it will not be seen as a true assault case. This leads to the victims not to see themselves as victims and to try to move on from what happened to them without any kind of closure. The policies also need to be publicized through a multimedia approach. This can include press releases, brochures, posters, radio and video posts, or more posting throughout social media. This is a poster from the Malloy College, and it has a phone number and an email that students can contact if they feel that they are experiencing domestic violence or may have experienced a sexual assault. If all colleges had these posted throughout the campus, it would give students a good outlet to go to if they feel that they need to contact someone about something that has happened to them. A change in the policies regarding sexual assault on college campuses would benefit many schools. Students would feel safer, and the amount of assault cases would likely decrease rapidly. There needs to be more attention on this issue, as it has flown under the radar on several college campuses. Sexual assault is a traumatic and disturbing thing, and people need to do as much as possible to stop it. Thank you.